Hello again. To say that you're managing means that you must be measuring. So are you managing your project's performance? Earned value is a standard when it comes to measuring and controlling project performance. The content I'm offering will help you unlock the earned value potential that is available within Microsoft Project. I've decided to develop this content because I've yet to find any training or documentation that adequately addresses the how-to of earned value in Microsoft Project. As such, this content is for those who want to know how to measure the performance of their projects and their portfolios at large using the earned value methodology, and to get it right, and to get it working in Microsoft Project. I assure you that my earned value secrets, tips, and tricks have not been seen assembled together like this in any other place until now. Note there are also some inherent weaknesses in the scheduled performance indicator, which I also provide information and workarounds for. So if you want to measure your project earned value performance with Microsoft Project, then you really need to download this. And I've provided the link in my description of my video. Thank you.